How to clean the Z2 breast pump parts. Prepare the wash basin. Fill it with warm, soapy water. Submerge and agitate. Place your pump parts in the water and gently move them around. When hand washing your pump parts, be sure to have a wash basin, the cleaning brush included with your Z2 breast pump, clean paper towels, standard dish soap, and warm water. Use the brush to clean each component. Rinse each part thoroughly under cool running water. For delicate items like the silicone duckbill valves and diaphragms, you can gently use your fingers. We recommend sterilizing the breast pump parts before their first use. If your doctor advises more frequent sterilization, follow their instructions. However, be aware that excessive sterilization can cause the parts to wear out faster, potentially requiring replacement within 1 to 3 months or before. Lay the parts on a clean paper towel to air dry, keeping them away from high traffic areas. By following these steps, you'll keep your Zomee Z2 breast pump parts clean and in great condition. Happy pumping!